I recommend beginning by disconnecting your battery. Use a 10mm socket and remove the ground cable from the battery, red arrow. If you're going to be working on your electronics for a while, you may want to disconnect the positive cable as well, blue arrow, and connect the battery to a tender. Just make sure no power is going to the vehicle while you are working. The parking brake control module is located behind the lower parcel shelf behind the rear seats. You do not need to remove the upper rear seats to perform this work, but it makes it easier. We will show you how to do that in case you want to, and if you don't, you can just skip these steps. The two rear seat backs are held in place by a center mount under the trim pieces, red arrow. Fold the seat backs down and insert a trim removal tool between the front trim piece and the rear, and slide the rear piece up and off. There is a center clip that will release it from its mount, red arrow. Use the trim removal tool and separate the trim piece from the front of the mount by prying out at the sides. With the trim pieces removed, slide each seat back towards the center of the mount and lift the plastic retainer, red arrow, up and out from the mount. Then slide the seat out from the post on the opposite side. With the seat backs removed, you can access the seam in the panel shelf easier. Pull the carpet piece out from the edges first, then lift it up and out from the trim piece, red arrow. Fold the carpet up and hold it in place with the seat belts. The control module is located on the left side and indicated by the red arrow. You want to lift up on the rear shelf and carefully move the unit out. It is not secured by any fasteners. Separate the wiring connection and install the new unit. Installation is the reverse of removal. You may need to have a dealership code it depending on the abilities of your scan tool. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.